PolyWorks Inspector 2023 introduces new search and navigation tools to help you efficiently analyze and edit large CNC CMM measurement sequences. Using keywords, you can quickly find a specific object measurement step and edit the object's measurement parameters. Or find a portion of the sequence that requires additional work. Easily find which tool orientation is used for a measurement step and redefine it. And quickly find and fix all issues before running the sequence. With PolyWorks Inspector 2023, you can work productively when editing large CNC CMM measurement sequences.